Uh, Welcome to Data Adopt YouTube channel, and today's stream number 50. It's half century for me. So let's check today's status for one of the failed. I can't say failed, but it was. I tried my best to complete that, but due to official workload and not able to uh, like keep on this very minor detail manual work for that project. I stopped as it is. Let's see what I have done. So earlier I have created one video for Stack Overflow. So here it is. So here I have used my so for Stack Overflow 2024 developer survey. I have gone through in detail for this survey, and I had idea like I will work on that project to create time series. First I thought I will use that to analyze 2024 profile in Power BI, but while I was trying to do that, I thought that I will create time series like kind of dashboard where we can see how this 2024 or so here we have this Stack Overflow annual developer survey portal where we can find from 2011 till 2024 how like developers are responding for different questions, and how like a trend is changing over the time. So I thought with this time series dashboard we can find that for each detail or each question how answer varies. So what is changing in technology perspective. So for that I downloaded all developer survey, and I found that for uh, each survey there are uh, two documents are present, Excel sheet, uh, like for a schema and public result. So in schema we can see q name, question name with actual question. So it is a q name is annotated part. I use these two column from schema, and from like so this public results, this annotated question is present as column name. So I had to replace this columns with uh, this annotated columns with actual column. So I have started working on, and here I have here you can see what I have achieved so far from this. I first use this function where uh, all the available files in that folders we can have like glance on it. So from that later I have created function so I can mm, replicate like is on this from schema. I will uh, use actual question name from schema in public result. For that I have created a function. I found that for older surveys there are names. So instead of q name here there were other names. So for that I have to create another function. After that I have created rename blank columns, because for some older schema or public result we can see. I will show one example. So it is for from 2014 that issue present. So we should. So for 2014, you can see for some question these are headers are blank. So because question is here actually, in average week how do you spend your time at work. So these columns are kind of like drop down functions or multiple answer for that particular question. So this question should be uh, like replicate here in these columns as well. For that I have created this function. Then there is another function, merge table by column. For this I used like once we created like you skip like public result with actual name, then that year's survey should be merged with previous years. Or so instead of this all the uh, files from 2011 should be merged with 12, then 13, then that output file should merge with next year file. So all this from all these years file output should come in one one file. So then we can find that particular time series. For that I had to merge that uh, files, output files. So here after this creation of functions, I used creation of input files. So survey 2024, survey 23. So here at start I have used a function. So output file will be instead of both file there will be one file for each year. Then it that function is we can use till this 2017. And then for this 2015 there was some special scenario. Yeah, because I need to remove this row. I had to update that. Then for 14 from this I use another because of that blank column header issue. I use function for the same for 50, 14, 13, 12 as well. And this is for 2018. For 2016 there is a special case. Because in 2016 the results are present like annotation present in this text document. For that For that I had to use other pre-processing technique where uh, that removing details from text file, so I can use it in code. And after that, converting that text file into CSV, then I use again function. It can be those annotated column can use in public results Excel sheet. So after that, I tried collating all inputs. Then I realized that all names are not in proper format. So question, though it can see that like how old are you, so that question can be changed from one survey to other survey. So in this maybe in other survey there will be what's your age, or uh, like oh, like old are you, or partial question we can see. So it was getting harder to like merging those columns. So there will be their output, we I was getting like in one column we can see one question and similar question which could have been uh, in merged, it is present as another. So merging those column or different output, it's getting like that file size getting uh, bigger and bigger due to increased column names which are mostly duplicates. And like for previous survey, there it seems there are few questions as compared to a recent one. And the uh, format of those questions are uh, different, like uh, a drop down or available options for that few questions are uh, different from recent one. So because of that issue, it was getting difficult to identify those columns, and it becomes more of manual task. I tried to use this function where we can merge those columns as per their uh, matching profile. So that I tried to use. I think I use somewhere in merging. So here we can see exact column match. It comes as uh, created one part, partial match, non-partial match. So I tried to use that part in merge tables by column. But if you see like columns name after after merging, we can see here that columns name are 85, though it is for like 11 12. So this is columns name, this is column count is 66 for 11, then 76 for 2012. But when I merge, it becomes 85. The same issue for 13 and 14, 14, it's become 167. So due to that issue, and I need to have manually intervene or check that file and try to analyze if that column match with other column or not. It was become getting difficult, so that's why I stopped there, and uh, I had to learn new tools. Because of that, I didn't get time. So maybe sometime in future I will try to complete this project, but as of now I am keeping it as on hold. So but I will keep this code on GitHub. So if you're any interest have any interest, so you can go through and try to complete that. I will be more happy. And that's it for today regarding project update, which I try to work on. And let's meet next time with another update. Thank you.